Hi dear house surgeons, last minute PG preparing doctors. So this video is dedicated for you. So many have messaged me like we want something to crack before the NEET PG 2022 exam. So for them I am dedicating this video. Now, based upon the NEET PG 2021, there is a lot of conceptual questions. Unlike previous, that is 3 years before, there is no one-liner. Every question is a clinical scenario-based questions and image-based questions. So, from the concept, what we have planned is 8 important systems which we are going to deal. So, neural science, endocrine science, pulmonary science, cardiovascular science, gastro science, renal science, musculoskeletal science, blood science, and more importantly, immunology. So, immune science, these are the 9 sciences which we are going to deal. This is a very important high yield areas. So, when you understand this 9 science, from neural science to the immune science, definitely you can understand what kind of questions they are asking. This is especially is a boon for house surgeons, because if you know something out of this, when you are able to face the question, that will definitely boost your confidence. So how we are planning is just 6 to 10 p.m. daily from February 1 to February 28. So 1 month strategy. February has only 28, we don't have another 2 days. So the 1 month strategy, this is how we execute. So the timetable have been added in the website. Please visit www.KONCPT NEXT.in, KONCPT for the details in the new update. So in addition to the science, applied anatomy, applied physiology, all applied aspects, our faculties are working day and night for this program. And definitely this may helpful for you, and something is better than nothing. And when you want to read 1000 hours, here only 100 hours for you to prepare and face the NEET PG 2022 exam. This will definitely be an eye-opener for you. This is just a small tip how the concept is going to help for NEET PG 2022. Not only that, for next 2023, for 5 years, or next 2023, next 2020, that is NEET PG 2023, all this pattern will be like this, my dear friend. So these tips will be definitely helpful for you. Make use of this and share it to your friends. There are Group 5 and Group 10 offers also there. Make use of it. This is Dr. Anton Reshkumar, founder, president, concept. Jai Hind. Bye.